Okay, about to start a mission out here at the cemetery.
0 feet altitude, 5 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 99% battery.
Today is the Apple Fest at Gould's Farms, and I am going to do a flyby and get some shots of the crowds for the news. Let's get my picture adjusted. Yo, here we go. Kind of a weird day. Get my focus, make sure that I have a good focus. Infinity and beyond. That should be good. It's a little bit of a headwind, but not too bad. That's the apple orchard there. I should get
223 feet altitude, 679 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 94% battery.
Yeah, it's up in the wind up there, but I don't feel any wind down here. But that's fine. When I get around the turn, it'll pick up. I've flown this same route about 3 or 4 times, so I know what to expect. Yeah, I would prefer to have my GPS tracker on board, but those things are so friggin' temperamental. Last night I was charging it and I just unplugged it to plug something else in, plugged it back, and it didn't charge and the battery died. Now I can't use it till the battery charges. But this is a safe flight. Great big circle.
223 feet altitude, 1,391 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 90% battery.
I don't bother taking still photographs because the video from the 4K is so sharp. I just take screenshots from my PC and run them through Photoshop. And that's like all you need to do. Because I'd rather record video than take stills. That way you can grab pretty much any shot you want. It's a great way to get lightning too. The sun just went behind the clouds. It's kind of a blustery day. Flying Crash Bandicoot today.
222 feet altitude, 2,215 feet distance, 14 miles per hour, 86% battery.
Lots of action down there. Looks like my focus problems went away. It's amazing what a little calibration can do. There's people driving on the grass across the street fucking stealing apples. Fuckers. It's the tail end of the trees. Now coming up is where all the action is.
222 feet altitude, 2,946 feet distance, 16 miles per hour, 81% battery.
They got bands, a band, Hair of the Dog, I think, whoever the hell they are. I never heard them play, but they've been around for a while. There's a corn maze too, which I can cheat because I've already seen it from above. I know how to get through it. Just don't make any left turns. "17 miles an hour." I got it's catching the wind.
222 feet altitude. 3,024 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 78% battery.
Not really all that many cars. That's kind of weird. But it is after 5. Maybe they close at 5. I don't know. See, there's the corn maze. And cheat. There's not a lot of cars there. I'm surprised. Right about here is the $1 million shot. It's the one I'm gonna grab. Right about there. Gets to kind of the whole look.
222 feet altitude. 2,805 feet distance. 16 miles per hour. 74% battery.
Fuck, somebody's pulling in here. I hate that. Well, I was here first. Fuck you. I know the owner. Probably just turn around. And that was the fest. Not a lot of cars. Wonder what time it ends.
$223 feet altitude. 2,287 feet distance. 16 miles per hour. 70% battery.
Killing it on the battery. 70%. It's been flying for what? 8 minutes. This isn't a long mission at all. In fact, it's almost done now.
$223 feet altitude. 1,624 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 67% battery.
Good numbers. It's all about the numbers. I think I'm gonna get to waypoint. Where am I here? 15. I'm gonna stop the mission here because I got a lot of battery, and I'm gonna go down and look for some hood rats.
Mission ended.
First person view. That's where I am. That's the blue car that just pulled up. They're visiting somebody. Okay.
$223 feet altitude. 1,329 feet distance. 37 miles per hour. 63% battery.
Yeah, feel the wind. It's weird. Coming. From across the street. Oh, there's turkey over there. These guys are like too stupid to burn away. Just a couple days ago, the hood rats are hanging with the turkeys.
feet altitude, 2,079 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 59% battery.
See how high I really am. You can see the leaves moving. That means I'm low. Shit, I'm fucking losing my picture. Go up on them slow. So you're not even looking at us, how stupid they are. Pretty cool though. They look like vultures.
(11 feet altitude, 2,141 feet distance, 1 miles per hour, 55% battery.
They don't really seem too concerned, even though they are walking away from it. One, two, three, four. I can't tell how many there are. I'm right on the outside of the signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. And they're just too stupid to be afraid.
11 feet altitude, 2,202 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 51% battery.
Total lack of situational awareness with these guys. Put my radar on. Well, if I was a hunter, this would give me a huge advantage, which is illegal, but I'm not a hunter, so shoot them with a camera. I used to go hunting when I was a kid, but I never really hunted. It was just an excuse to go out and blast shit with my shotgun. Bring beer bottles with me, throw them in the air, and shoot them out of the air.
7 feet altitude, 2,224 feet distance, 1 miles per hour, 46% battery.
Yeah, turkeys are just too stupid. They're not afraid. Yeah, they don't, no fucks given, as they say. I'm not far away from them at all. I gotta get some altitude because I'm losing my picture. What the hell is them holes? Foxhole?
5 feet altitude, 2,241 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 42% battery.
That was a sensor going off for some stupid reason. Follow the leader. That must be the alpha turkey, the guy in front. So come on, guys. Time to go in the woods. See if they all follow him.
5 feet altitude. 2,259 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 38% battery.
Yeah, that guy's the shot caller. He's the pod boss. He's like, yo, follow me. I noticed what the deer do, they're sneaky. If they see me, they'll run away, and they'll run across this little patch of woods and they'll run to the other field. See if anybody's over there. Gotta come home.
278 feet altitude. 2,481 feet distance. 7 miles per hour. 34% battery.
Fucking shut the fuck up. I found another cemetery over here down this road. I'm going to go over there in a little while. It's down there. I don't know where exactly. About around there. Alright. Gotta come home, make sure I'm not hitting the headwind. A little wind, but not bad. Do auto land through here.
.275 feet altitude. 2,013 feet distance. 16 miles per hour. 29% battery.
Wind just calmed down. A little chilly. Actually, the sun finally feels good for a change. I can hear
Warning,
it.
Aircraft battery at 25%.
On the next flight, I'm going to use a DJI app because I want to make sure.
9 feet altitude. 264 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 23% battery.
I want to make sure when I recalibrated all the sensors that I'm not getting any gimbal warnings. I didn't get any here.
Warning, aircraft battery at 22%.
So shut up and land.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%. .12 feet altitude. 5 feet distance. 2 miles per hour. 20% battery.
I had to take over because we're going to land right on the damn car. Probably because of the wind.
Warning, aircraft battery at 19%.
Very nice. No incidents, no bullshit, no nothing bad. Another good flight. Get about.